Hi, Crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and I'm on with a little collective haul. I have a few things, or just a couple things from a few different places that I thought I'd put all together and share with you. First one up is Aldi. Not everything is super crafty, but I have to share because they're some of my favorite things. So I am a candle person, a candle hoarder. I have way too many candles to even burn in my lifetime. I don't really burn them. I use a candle lamp. And I have one in my craft room, so I feel like they are part of my crafty life. But look how stunning this one is. I think there was one that was tan like this. I think there was floral. There was a few different ones. I think these did come out a couple weeks ago, so I'm surprised that I was able to get a checkered one. These were, I think they were $7.99, so a little bit more than most of the Aldi candles, but this is so gorgeous. I just kind of want to scoop out the wax and just use the cup and saucer. It is more of like a manly musky scent. Let's see, what does it say? Does it say what it is? No. Flax. I don't know if that's the scent or not, but I don't know. I really like that. And then I found this one. This was in the Mother's Day collection. I honestly didn't even smell the other ones because I really didn't need them, but I happened to sniff this one. Or no, there was a couple of ladies that were in the row too, and they were looking at candles first. So I was looking at some other things so I could get over to the candles. And they said this one smelled the best. And I didn't even notice how scratched up this top was until I got home, which is kind of a bummer. I usually kind of look for a top that is nicer, but it's okay. These are only $4.99, and this one is linen and amber. And it smells so good. It's so nice and ambery, but like a clean amber. I don't know how to explain it. So I didn't even know what the other one smelled like. I just grabbed this one because I don't think I have anything that smells like this. Because, you know, usually like we tend to get a lot of candles that all smell the same. And yeah, I know that I can be like that. So I don't have anything that smelled like that in my stash. So I was like, oh, we're going to get that. Next up, they had some new journals. I think there was 4 different kinds. And some was just like my thoughts, or I think there was one like notes to my children, something like that. I got this one because it was memories and adventures in my life, so that I can fill this out and do it on my own time. It is so pretty. But it has like just little prompts to write things in, and I thought this could be really fun. And you can add pictures, you can do all different types of things, but I really liked the prompts. I thought that this would be, I don't know, maybe something that, you know, when I pass, my children will find this, or, you know, if I happen to go before my hubby, like he could look back on this and think about all the fond memories of stuff, because, you know, let's face it, us women have better memories than our spouses usually, or a friend. I'm not quite sure exactly what I'll do. These were a little bit more. I think these were $9.99. Of course, they never had their prices on there, but again, there was a few other styles. So I think they had probably just a plain journaling one, but they had a few that had different prompts. And again, this one just fit me the most of what I liked. So that's what I got. I have a couple things from HomeGoods, or HomeGoods / TJ Maxx. I still have not seen all of the book thingies that people are finding. Like book totes, journals, all kinds of stuff, mugs. Mine hasn't had any of that, but I did find a couple new salt and pepper shakers. I have been looking for a lemon scent set, not scent, set. And I found this one that I think will work really well. I have found some lemon ones. I didn't feel like they would hang well for my tassels, so for what I do with them, they just weren't gonna work out. But these ones I think will really well. So we have the little basket of lemons. It's so stinking cute. And this one, even this one, might be a little wonky because the holes are off to the side. I prefer holes on the top because I feel like those hang the best. These will hang okay, but anything that's like really like off center is just not gonna hang the best. And these were $4.99 a piece. And then I found these Day of the Dead ones. Like, how stinking cute are these? The little guitar is sending. Of course, I love a good sugar skull. Who doesn't? But look at this little guitar. That is so stinking cute. And then here is the little sugar skull. I'm really hoping that, of course, these were one-offs. They did not have matching ones. They only had matching ones of stuff that I didn't want or I didn't have a need for. Like, I'm like, what am I'm not gonna turn that, like, themes that just weren't fitting for me. So I'm hoping that I can go back and find one or two more, probably at least one more of each, so that I have like a set. So if I am doing a swap or something like that, then I would have two of the same ones. So yeah, there's that. Oops. I found a couple things at Ross. I found these strawberry shortcake hand creams. It's the year of the strawberries. There's strawberry shortcake stuff everywhere and just strawberries in general. So I thought these would be good to add into my stash for a swap or Happy Meal or something. These were $5.99, but they were so stinking cute, and the packaging is really cute. I know my friend Lisa is really good at reusing packaging, so I'm like, how could I could put acetate on the inside of this, and I could put some Happy Meal in there. I think that could be really cute, so we'll see. I found these little napkins because they were only $1.49. I thought that these would be cute to add to my stash. I'll share probably because I don't need 20 napkins, but I liked the colors. It was very vibrant, and yeah, I thought they were cute. And then I found this. I thought this was such a fun find. I think this could be fun for junk journaling, October dailies, something like that. Let's see. This is only $2.99. Let's kind of open it and see. I don't know if they're sticky or not, so I was just super excited. I was like, oh. And I love getting stuff that I can share, or put together some kits to share with, you know, people, because I don't need a whole pad. Oh, good. They're not sticky, so that's nice. So you could stick this to another piece of paper for stability, because this is just thinner paper. You could laminate these and have little stick-on things. Like you can make little pins to do something with. You could even put a magnet on the back and do something with pins all over. I don't know. I have like the Scrap Diva voodoo doll. So I thought, oh, this could be a really cute layout in October daily. Again, I'll probably share because I don't need all of them. I also found some more bead boxes. If you can find the bead boxes there, they're only $3.99. You can get these on Walmart, or at Walmart and on Amazon, but they're around $7.28 or $7.48, right around there. So Ross is the cheapest one. Also found this super cute bag. The only thing I hate about Ross's bags is that it says Ross right on there. Like the ones from TJ Maxx don't say TJ Maxx on there, or most of them don't, as far as I know. But it just had all these cowboy boots on there, cowgirl boots. I thought it was so cute that I needed it. So there's those. And then last few things are from Amazon. Actually, this one is from Temu. I did my Temu haul probably like last week, and this was from a local warehouse, but of course it did not come at the same time. It came a week later. I don't know why they do that. I don't know why they say quick delivery, because it is never quick delivery from a local warehouse. But this is chili peppers. I was looking for a chili pepper dye for a long time and finally came across these. I'll insert a picture so you know what it looks like. And I think these will suit my purpose. I like the size of them. I think that they're really cute. So happy to have those. I have one more thing coming from the Chaos Craft, like 80s. I had ordered the words and they came wrong. So we just refunded that order and I reordered them. So I have the the 80s words because they sent me the St. Patrick's words. So I reordered the 80s words, and these are the caboodles that I thought I had in my cart but didn't get checked upon checking out. So I have the caboodle as well. This, I don't know what seller this is. So this was on Amazon, but it's a little Jeep. And they show pictures with a little gnome in there. I'm glad it doesn't come with a gnome. I'm not a huge gnomey person, but I am a Jeep girly. So I wanted to have a little Jeep die for, you know, journaling, Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. I know a couple other people that are Jeep girlies as well, so I could make some cute cards. I'm not quite sure, but I've been wanting this. This has been in my cart for a while, and then it went out of stock, and then it came back into stock, and I sat on it, and so I finally ordered it. And then I also got this from Alina Cuddle. This is she's got some really cute stuff from her newest drop. There's a couple more that I want, but they were out of stock. But I got this one that's a Gears. I am working on a steampunk, and I did not have a lot of steampunk stuff, but I've been slowly grabbing stuff because I do want to do more in the future, because this has been a lot of fun making things. So I got this, and I really like her dies as well. So that is my little collective haul. I will link anything I possibly can down below, which is probably the Amazon stuff. The Temu die I can link. But if you have any questions, let me know. But if you find some good stuff out there that you think I need, also let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.